Nano-cerium oxide, the universal assistant hidden behind the high-tech, the microengineer in electronic devices, making technology more powerful. Mobile phones, computers, and 5G base stations hide countless tiny components, among which multi-layer ceramic capacitors, MLCC, are crucial. The ultra-small capacitors made of nano-cerium oxide used by Murata in Japan have been reduced in size but increased in performance, which can make mobile phone signals more stable and slim down 5G devices. Your phone can be crammed with more functions without getting hot. Nano-cerium oxide is indispensable. In the field of semiconductors, it is a master of fine carving TSMC polishes the chip with nano-cerium oxide polishing slurry with atomic precision. It and Oppos like using nano-level sandpaper to grind the surface of the chip to be smoother than a mirror, so that the chip performance of the 7 nanometers and 5 nanometers processes can be improved by 15% and the yield rate is higher. Without it, our phones could be slow and expensive. The invisible warrior in the medical field, fighting diseases and bacteria. Nano-cerium oxide is also a star material in the medical community. The MIT research team used it to make targeted drug carriers, which are like loading anti-cancer drugs with a navigation system to deliver them precisely to the tumor site. Experiments have shown that this nano courier can increase the tumor suppression rate by 3 times and reduce the side effects of chemotherapy, which can be called the black technology of cancer treatment. Urinary catheters in hospitals tend to harbor bacteria and cause urinary tract infections. The nano-cerium oxide-coated urinary catheter developed by the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom is like putting on an antibacterial armor for the pipe, continuously releasing germicidal ions and reducing the infection rate by 80%. This technology has been applied in the clinic to make it safer for patients.